Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add checkbox in MS Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, now let's dive in. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Now right click with your mouse anywhere on this tab. Just make sure to click on blank spaces. And you have to go on customize the ribbon. One more thing, if you are not seeing this option, just make sure you have selected any box like this. Right click with your mouse and go on customize the ribbon. From here, click on customize ribbon, scroll down and enable this box developer. Check this box and click on OK. Now we have developer option right over here. Click on it, click on insert and select checkbox. And as you can see, that's how you can add checkbox in MS Excel. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.